Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at highest common factors and lowest common multiples. Now this is a very difficult topic. It may scare some people. As you can see in front of you, you have a very scary question. You have 40, okay? 40 you want to be expressed, you want some prime numbers multiply each other, right? Some prime numbers which multiply each other to make 40. You reduce this down. So 2 times 20, you have 1. Now you reduce 20 down again. 2 and 10. You have 2 again. 2 and 5. You have another 2 again. And you have a 5, which is also a prime. So you now have 3 2's. So you're going to write this as 2 to the power of 3. And you're going to times this by 5. And this is expressed as a 40 is now expressed as a product of its prime factors. So here we have another question. It says find the highest common factor of 72, 90 and 126. You're going to do the same steps again. You're going to reduce 72 down. So you're going to reduce 72 now, 72 down. And you're going to reduce 90 down. And you're going to reduce 126 down. So for 72, you're going to have 2 and 36, which can then be reduced down to 2 and 18, which can then be reduced down to 2 and 9, which can then be reduced down to 3 and 3. Now you circle all your primes, so you have 2, 2, 2 and 2 3's. Now let's look at 90. 90, how can you multiply to make 90? You have 2 and 45, and then you have 3 and 15, and then you have 3 and 5. You circle all your primes, 2, 3, 3 and 5, and now you have 126. How can you reduce this? 2 and 63, 3 and 21, and 3 and 7. So, writing this out, you're going to have 2 times by 2 times by 2 times by 3 times by 3. So for this, you're going to have 2 cubed times by 3 squared. For 90, you're going to have 2 times by 3 squared times by 5. For 926, you're going to have 2 times by, so you have 2, 3, 3 and a 7, so 2 times by 3 squared times by a 7. Now what you look at is all of the numbers you have. So you're gonna write down 2. You're gonna write down 2 times by. Do you have a 3 anywhere? You have a 3 there. You have a 3 there. 2 3's. 3's here again. You have 2 3's. So you're gonna have 3 times by 3. Anything else which is common in both of them? No. So you're gonna have 2 times by 3 squared, which is gonna give you 2 times 9, 18. So here, find the lowest common multiple of 12, 15 and 18, right? 12, I'm just going to quickly express it as a product of its primes. 12 is going to be 2 times 2 times 3. Your 15 is going to be 3 times by 5, and your 18 is going to be 2 times by 3 times by 3. What you look at now is you can draw a Venn diagram. You can have one circle and another and you're gonna have a final one there. So this is for your 12s. You have a 2 here. You're also gonna have a 2 here, and this is gonna be in your 18ths, and you have a 3 here. You have a 3 here, and also another 3, which meets all of them in the middle. 3 there, and you have a 5 there. So your lowest common multiple, so now that you've drawn your Venn diagram, you can find out that your actual lowest common multiple, right, will just be 18 times by 2 times by 5. So your lowest common multiple will be 18 times 10, 180. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video.